Hello everyone, it's me from my channel. Today I am going to share with you some fun facts about chickens that you never knew you needed, but now that I say that, you can't unsee it. So let's get started. Number 1, have you ever wondered why your chicken's feet have such tiny little toes? Well, scientists believe that chickens only have 4 toes because they evolved from a species of bird that did it. So basically, their feet are kind of like their evolutionary heritage. And this also means that chickens belong to the group of birds known as theropods, which includes Velociraptor and Tyrannosaurus rex. Yeah, you heard that right. Chickens are related to dinosaurs. Now, that's something to cluck about. No. 2. Did you know that chickens have color vision? In fact, they can see in more colors than humans. They can see ultraviolet light and are able to distinguish between shades of blue, green, red, and orange. Their eyes are also much better at detecting movement than ours, which is why they're such great hunters. Just kidding, they're not great hunters. They're terrible, actually. Their eyesight is so good that they can spot predators from miles away and then run away really fast. I mean, their speed is not bad either. They can run up to 9 miles per hour, which is pretty impressive for a flightless bird. No. 3. Speaking of running, did you know that chickens have a special talent for finding food? They have an amazing sense of smell and hearing, which helps them to locate seeds and insects. They also have special adaptations in their beaks that help them to dig and probe for food. Some breeds of chickens even have a natural instinct for foraging in the water, while others are better at scratching in the dirt. This is why chickens are such popular choices for people who want to raise them for meat or eggs. They're just really good at finding food, which means that they can be more sustainable and cost-effective to raise than other types of livestock. Plus, their meat and eggs are packed with nutrients and protein, so it's a win-win situation for everyone involved. No. 4. Did you know that chickens can recognize themselves in the mirror? Well, they can't quite yet. Scientists haven't figured out if chickens have the ability to recognize themselves in the mirror. However, studies have shown that chickens are capable of recognizing themselves in photographs and videos. Researchers believe that chickens are able to recognize themselves in photos and videos because they are able to recognize individual body parts, such as their own heads and beaks. Scientists are still working on figuring out whether or not chickens can recognize themselves in the mirror. But one thing is for sure. They are definitely smart enough to realize that there is something strange going on when they see their reflection. Number 5. Did you know that a group of male chickens is called a cock-a-doodle, doohickey, or a fake rooster? No, seriously, that is what it's called. There is no other word in the English language that can describe a group of male chickens. But wait, it gets weirder. A group of female chickens is called a trip or a flock. Okay, that makes sense. But a mixed group of male and female chickens is called a clutter. Why is it called a clutter? Clutter is defined as a collection of things that are messy and in a state of disorganization. That doesn't sound like chickens at all. If anything, it sounds like my room when I was a teenager. But hey, I'm not complaining. I love my room. Number 6. Did you know that chickens need to take dust baths in order to keep their feathers clean and free of parasites? They can't swim, so they just lay around in the dust until they're all cleaned up. This behavior is called dusting, and it's an important part of a chicken's daily routine. Not only does it help them to stay clean, but it also helps them to regulate their body temperature and to remove excess oil from their feathers. Chickens will typically dust bathe for about 10 to 30 minutes each day, and they may use the same bathing area over and over again, or they may move around from spot to spot, depending on the availability of dust and the weather conditions. And no. 7. Did you know that chickens can be trained to do tricks? Just like dogs, chickens can learn tricks through positive reinforcement, such as giving them treats and praise when they perform a desired behavior. They can be taught tricks like fetching a bowl, coming when they're called, and even walking on a leash. With patience and consistency, you can train your chicken to do all sorts of amazing things. So next time you think training a chicken is a wild idea, remember it's not as crazy as it sounds. So there you have it, 7 fun facts about chickens that you never knew you needed. But I'm glad I shared them with you anyway. I hope you enjoyed learning about these amazing creatures as much as I enjoyed researching them. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more fun facts. And if you have any fun facts of your own to share, please comment them down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.